So you just finished creating or downloading this cool guy, but you don't want to animate by hand. I will show you how to use this free tool to animate your characters from just a video. But before that, you might need to rig your character so that it can actually move. For that, you can use AccuRig, which is a free software made by Realision. Just import your character into the app, adjust the center line, and click on Rig. Then, fix the position of the joints if necessary. You can also choose the number of fingers your character has and adjust them if needed. After the rigging process, download it in FBX format or upload to Actor Core to test it with a huge library of animations, both free and paid. AccuRig automatically fixes issues with your 3D models. It has accurate bone placement and fixes most of the weight paint issues which other tools can't fix. Download link in the description. Another option is Mixamo, which is very straightforward. Just upload your character and place the markers as shown on the reference. Click on Next and let it do its thing. That's it. Just click on any animation to preview it. Then download the rig character in FBX. Now that your character is rigged, use your phone to record any animation you want or find online references. Then, head over to QuickMagic by using my link in the description to get 60 additional credits. Log in or sign up. Then, go to the AI Mocap tab and import any video showing full body motion. Cut out unwanted parts of the video and let it analyze the clip. Now, drag and drop a default avatar to the detection and press Next. Enable hand or face tracking if needed, and select the first pose the animation will have. Note that the export format will depend on the avatar selected. Click on Generate and let it cook. After some time, go to the Projects tab to preview your animations, and if you like it, click here to download. You can then use it in any software like Blender, Unity, or Unreal Engine. Firstly, for Blender, import your FBX character we rigged at the beginning. Then, also import the animation downloaded from QuickMagic and move it slightly away. Now, to transfer the animation to your character, first select your character's armature, then hold Shift and select the QuickMagic armature. Press Ctrl and L, then select Link Animation Data, and there's your animation. It's much easier to do in Unity. For that, just import the animated QuickMagic avatar in Unity, and also import the character you want to use. On your character, under the Rig tab, select Humanoid and click Apply. Then do the same on the QuickMagic avatar. Add your character to the scene, then give it an animation controller. Now, drag and drop the avatar's animation into the controller, launch the game, and your character is now animated. Don't forget to use my QuickMagic link to get 60 additional credits, and I will see you next time.